Uh, Hello.
Hello.
Good morning, everyone. In series of alumni talks from ECE department, today we have Sushidhar Reddy. He had been a passed out of 2015, had been working with various companies, and he started his career with Accenture and then moved on to Cognizant, where he worked as a process associate and now presently working as a senior associate at Wipro. Now I ask Sushidhar to start. Sushidhar, you can just start with your career. You can go on how your life was at CMR and you can share your views and all that. And you can have an interaction session with your juniors also.
Yeah, ma'am. Sure. Yeah. Hi, good morning, everyone. I hope everyone is doing well, right? Yeah, myself, already Srantama introduced myself, but again, I'm introducing myself. My name is Sushidhar Reddy, and I am 2015 passed out. And thank you so much for giving Shravanti ma'am to opportunity to talk with my outgoing batches. So I want to share my important and info with my friends. So first of all, I want to tell about my college. I'm so proud to be being an alumni of CMR Technical Campus. Guys, if you like college, then CMR will never leave us. That's true because I am a general uh, secretary of CMR Alumni Association. And while pursuing my graduate, I am a active member of EC Association. I think now it's working, right? And I have learned many things from that. So how to talk and how to, I mean, what we have to learn from there. And we will get some basic information, knowledge, and experience. So, uh, really, guys, CMR College, I mean, college will teach us everything what we have to do and where we have to stand in our future to get settled in our like career part. And actually, I wanted to share my views. Really, I'm jealous because when I passed out like 2015, there is no auditorium and like indoor stadium. There is no central library. But in 2020, guys, I mean now, and it is one more thing important to share with you. It's an autonomous college, and I have one wish to. I want to study my BTech in autonomous, but I missed it. But guys, you have wonderful opportunity and utilize it because it's a autonomous. And next, maybe in 1 or 2 years, couple of years, it may be deemed university also. So enjoy it. And like coming to my journey with MRTC, it is awesome and with some sweet memories in my life which we cannot forget it. So that's it. And I want to start with like first year guys. It's like intermediate subjects only: maths, physics, chemistry, and there is some new subjects like engineering drawing is new, and it is somewhat difficult. If we understood that, we'll definitely clear that exam. So uh, just work hard and keep some concentration on engineering drawing in first year. And labs means we can enjoy guys if we are good in, I mean, knowledge, and we are going regular to that lab classes, then we will rock it. That's it. And like I want to be inform you that keep like concentration on max M1 and engineering drawings. So in first year, the two subjects are little bit hard, not hard, but it will be like so many people will get backlogs in that. So first attempt only clear it and study well. That's it. And English is nothing but like good in communication skills and presentation and network skills. Guys, my suggestion to you, and build a wrap up with faculties also, because wherever you go we can create friends. That is easy task, but if you build up, I mean, if you build some wrap up or some interactions with faculty or HOD, then we will coming to know where we are, and they will tell our loopholes, what we have to improve in it, where and what is our career. They will help you in which subject, I mean, in which stream you are interested, and what to do in future. They will tell us very clearly, and it's, I mean, really I'm telling, no one will help in BTech to go this side, go that, and that's it guys. So build up and connect with faculties or HOD if you have any doubt. And friends can tell, but faculty will tell more clear about like our vision or mission, what to do, what not to do, right? Yeah, thank you guys. And when you enter into like second year, third year, then you must focus on your career, obviously, because our core subjects will also start from there only, 2-1, 2-1 to third year. So, and when coming to EC, it's a evergreen subject because there is a plenty of opportunities. And why it is evergreen means we can switch to, I mean, multiple. So one is core side and one is software side. We can switch to software side also, because C plus Java is also, I mean, it's combination of CSC and electronic communications. In core side means like VLSI and robotics and micro systems and like embedded systems, digital image processing, and satellite communication. These are the booming subjects. I mean, this is a core of electronic and EC. So if we get job in that, it's well and good, and our life will be settled in very fast. So with giving high pace, but we will get less when compared to software, because core side getting job in core side is not all easy. If it is getting, you are lucky and awesome. And what next? And mm, yeah, actually, I am very regular to college, and I will write down some notes. So that is enough to pass the exam. And first year I sat at first bench, and from second year and like 2 2 3 3 1, I went at sat at back bench. So I am the member of backbencher. So I enjoyed really a lot, but and I have learned so many things, what to do, what not to do. That will obviously automatically college will also teach, our faculty will tell. And I have some like favorite subjects like Srikanth sir, HOD sir classes will be awesome. And you will, I mean, if you are you want to listen one more class also, you will not get bored also. So I enjoyed a lot of HOD's class. And like Ragini ma'am and Shravanti ma'am, MWE, and have STLD, C programs, everything. If you listen with carefully, you will be created some interest on it. So this is the, and you should make that like we should get some basic information, so this will be help in like future where we are like in interview technical round. So these are the basics and this is the foundation. So CMR will provide like foundation for us, but helps in to create foundation. And our if we get in job, if we crack the interview and we get a job in nice pay, so that will create our pillar to our career. And if we success, then our dreams will come true, right? So for that we should work hard, right? Very should hard work very seriously. So for that should have basic information like basic information on every subject, and that is a minimum. We have to crack the job or we should get some any idea in future. And most of the will, I mean, what I have to say. Mhm. Yeah, while lab classes like experiment, if we do only experiment, we will get to know something. What is this? What we will get output? So, guys, be very serious on your study. Focus on your career. So, where you have to stand in future. I mean, like after coming out from fourth year. So, which company I have to get and with high package. So, you have to take care and work out from second year 2 or 3 1. So my dream is this one, so I have to achieve this dream at any cost by like working hard sincerely and taking help of like faculties and friends also. And you can prepare your notes with yourself also, that is well and good, right? Yeah. And coming to my work experience, I mean, I want to share my journey and achievements in MNC companies. Yeah, after completion of my BTech, college provided me a lot of stuff like CRT classes and like mock interviews. But I did not crack job in during on campus. But I got job no, outside only, so it's off campus. But I'm feeling happy because I'm doing job. So I have started my career with in company Accenture and as a process associate in digital operations till 2017. And I got awarded in couple of months. I got awarded like best employee what I am working. So I felt very happy because the recognition and rewards got from my dream company. So I am very happy, and that sweet memory I will not forget in my life because feel like goosebumps for me. So in front of so many like office colleagues and teammates, so they will give a round big applause of so they will recognizing me in front of thousands of employees. It will be like something, guys, really. And I moved to Cognizant as a senior process executive till 2020 March. So in that 2 years of tenure, I have worked so. I mean, I took so many sessions and I have worked hard. So I am very concentration on doing my work with accuracy, very precisely, and I got 4 to 5 awards in Cognizant also. That gives me a where I am stand and what is my worth in, I mean, in any organization. So by our reward and awards only, we will get to know what we are in front of like 1,000 member of employees. There is a number of employees in our like working, right? So like and after that now I moved to Wipro like starting from May. So due to pandemic situation COVID-19, so we are doing work from home. And that's it, guys. And IJP was rolled out for trainer, but that assessment was kept hold after opening the office only. So whether I get to know, I will become, if I clear the assessment, I will become a trainer, guys. So guys, coming to opportunities, guys, opportunities after graduation. So one thing I can say, if you are good at skills and like basic subject knowledge, like foundation is very good, no one can stop you, guys, in anything. Anyone can, I mean, there is obstacle also, you can overcome that and you will achieve your dream like career to set in a well settled manner. And coming to outside world, the competition is very high, guy, because if we in college premises only, like thousands of students are there. So if we crack job in our on campus only, it is well and good. If you come out, there is a multiples. I mean, if you assume like 1,000 colleges into 1,000 students, so how many members will be in outside? So there is a difficult to get a job in outside. And it's very I mean very happy, it's autonomous. And now we are getting so many placements. So at least you, when you're coming out of from CMR college, one job should be in your pocket, guys. Whatever you do should get one. You will be happy for your 4 years what you have done. That is the success of your BTech. And what we tell, your parents also will feel very happy. And finally, not but not least, your faculty, our college will feel so proud. My student got placed in so and so company with high package, this, and you will be in like department notice board. Your photo will be like showcased. So this is a guy who placed in this so and so company, and in college magazines. So how we feel that if we are, I mean, we are getting in our college magazine. And it's awesome, guys. We can't express in anything like that. So work hard, guys. And we have plenty of opportunities, guys, but we should hard work and we should catch that. Never give up, guys. Never ever give up. Try until you get that anything. If you are if you are aiming some goal, this I have to do, then do it. Work hard for that. Definitely you will crack that goal. I mean, what you want to become in future. So that's it, guys. And if I come to like software, why software means, if we are don't getting jobs in core side, then obviously we are moving to next option is software is well and good. And in software also, I mean, be update, guys. Like, you know, it is getting like Python, AI, big data, blockchains. These are the, I mean, cyber security. In software, this is the booming. You can do anything with high packages if you get jobs in this domain. So, and guys, do internships as much as you possible, because from that you can gain some knowledge and experience what it is going on actually, what it is, how it is work. So you will get some basic knowledge when compared to others. They don't know. If you tell something to your friend, then you will get to know, okay, if you are doing this, we will get output, this is. So it is very helpful for us. So we will not forget also, because we are doing with our hands, and we are having that experience also. No, if you do this, we will get this output. So, and guys, and one thing, if you and one more opportunity, if you do internship, you will get as a like full-time employment also, if you are doing well in like internships, like 4 months, 3 months. If they like your work and your like behavior, they will check everything, not only studies and like academics skills and behaviors, your presentation skills, and they will everything is matters. If you are everything in good, so definitely you will crack the job. And if you will get doing internship only, you will get the job in nice reputed companies. So it is well and good, right? Going to like yeah, without going to interview only, you are selecting, and with like a high package, like other afterwards you will get experience, you will get more package, guys. But don't never, I mean, I am getting less pay, so what I should do? Don't do like that. So think about experience. If you are experienced, guys, then anyone will give high pay only, whatever you want. You can argue with them, I am this, I can do this, so you can provide me this much package. You can negotiate with HR also. So this is my, what you have to tell, this is my strengths. So my achievements I have done during like work experience. So I have got so many rewards and awards. So I can, that will help me a lot to prove myself I am a good at work experience, right? And like opportunity. That's it, guys. If you have any doubts, you can come to me. You can ask me. Over to you, guys.
Yeah, Sushidhar, you have a few questions in the chat box. Can you just go
Yeah,
through
yeah.
it?
Sorry, I'm checking, and I will give reply.
Yeah, okay. If you want, I'll just read it out, then you can answer.
Yeah.
So what is the best experience that you have in your college?
Best experience. Yeah. Best experience means in every year I have like one experience. So first thing I means first thing where I have to be settled in my career. So I have took like best experience in my college, like I'm attending like I kept workshops. I managed workshops in second year, and I am a member of EC association. So that makes me a lot. I mean, that is the
Hello.
and do you experience any failures in life? Can you please share some lessons? Yeah.
So was there any failure? Hello. Yeah, you can tell us about how you have overcome your
The
failure.
guys, I'm audible.
Yes, yes, you are audible, but I think it is struck. Your video got struck. Hello.
You can, Shavanti madam, you can tell him close the video. If bandwidth is not sufficient, he can stop the video and
Yeah.
he can.
What is the best experience in your college?
Hello. Hello.
He
Sushidhar, am
can.
I audible?
Yeah, someone asked me like, do you experience any failure? Yeah, I did not crack my job in CMR college like on campus. So from that failure, I have learned so many things. So I have to crack that like so many levels of interview. Like my first company, Accenture, it's a very big MNC company and it's my dream. So from failure only, we will get to know where we are and what we have to learn from it. So that's it, guys.
Can you tell more about that? That is, in which way you have improved yourself? So either it was on
And
technical or based
amazing
on
and to
your.
hear about your achievements. What you
Hello.
do feel study.
Hello. Am I audible, Sushidhar?
Yeah, and one more question. I think we are studying like EC stream and why you are doing like software job. Guys, it's an optional, right? If you don't get in core side, so there is we have chosen another opportunity software. So it is not wrong. You're studying EC and going for like CSE subject, like software. Now it is completely like it's technology. So we should learn like update automating automation technologies like AI. In future, AI will like booming subject, and like AI, Python. So you should keep more focus on it. So you will get high pace, and you'll set well in future. And few more questions. When is right time to apply for internships? Mm, Guys, there is no time to apply like internships. You can go whenever you want. You can experience like actually our core subject will start from second year, right? So you can go like second year only. You can start 2-1 or 2-2, like EDC. You have EC electronic communications. You can go near like towers. So you can experience some. You can gain some knowledge by doing internships. So there is no like there is no such a particular time should do in this particular period only. You can whenever you want, you can do internship as many as you can, because it will be weightage your resume also while during interviews. So you can tell this. So I have done this. I have some basic knowledge on it. So they will also think, okay, I should select him because he has something apart from other candidate. He is having some basic information on this. So if I took this candidate, select this candidate, so he will work with very precisely rather to others. So this will help us to, I mean, in interviews, if you do internships, and you will get full-time employee also in that same company, right? And I can share experience of your off-campus placements. Yeah, how many have you prepared of yourself face to face? What is your advice to backbench students? Mm, what are the skills that a student should learn in BTech, and what should is the right time to learn them? Amazing and good. Yeah. And what are the skills that
Yeah, you can answer one question at a time, Sushidhar. You just go through one question and then answer it, and then we'll move on to the next question.
guys? Someone asked what are the skills that we have to gain. So there is nothing about we have to have some basic knowledge on like our core subject studies like C plus and like EC, electronics, communications, image process, just basic idea. So I have learned this. So this is my subject. So we need not to bluff anything. If you bluff, then you cannot be success in your career, guys. If you know, tell I know this. If you don't know, I don't know this. I will learn. I will try to learn. Give me one chance. This is the, I mean, this is like how it will be like. It's like pleasure manner. So this will grab the HR to okay. He's looking for like chance. If we give an opportunity, he will success in his life. So do like that. And when is the right time for applying internships? Yeah, guys. Someone asked like off-campus experience. Guys, off-campus experience will be very difficult to get crack the internship because luckily our college providing SRT classes from like starting from 3 1 3 2 I think. So should perfect in that aptitude and like good in skills and presentation skills and like basic subject knowledge. Then you will get in on campus only. That is well and good. If you come out, there will be thousands of people to like will they will give competition to you also. So they will don't give chance to get job for you in right company and like high package. If competition is high, then everything will be in top only. If you are in good in skills, then if you are in, I mean, you're good in technical, then definitely you will crack the interview, right? So it will be like levels. It will be like 3 rounds, 4 rounds. First will be like aptitude to like JD level. This will be the first rounds, and second will be like technical. Technical, and if you clear this also, they will ask basics only. If you know, you can tell with very confidently and audible. They should know. Okay, this guy is telling correct only. He can manage. So they will check that only. Then what they are not check what you are telling. They'll not check your subject also. They will check your like confidence and how you are in that particular subject. Like third run or fourth run will get HR and MR. So they will check our like ability, strengths, and how we will manage like in like any situation. So they will check that. So if you are good in this all, so for to crack the interview, to crack one like to crack the job, you should have like communication skills and basic knowledge is must. No one will stop if you have good at communication skills like presenting, networking skills. Then this is added advantage to crack the job, guys. And can you share experience? How you have prepared self to face in face to interview? What is your Yeah, someone asking how you prepared like face-to-face interview. Nothing, guys. While you start speaking from like second year only, you will get out of from your fear and give presentations in college. You know, I am the lead member for my projects like mini and major. I don't know. Faculty selected me, and that helps me a lot because giving presentations in front of 30 persons only we are getting fear. Then in like HR panel and thousands of candidates. So how we will be if you are good in that? If we, I mean enough confidence in talking talking others very spontaneously, so you will be definitely clear the face-to-face interview because in face-to-face interview they will ask directly questions. That is not in our question. Not in our syllabus, and not in. They will ask like situation based questions. What you will do if your TL, in absence of your TL, the work is pending, and you are a team member in that. So what you supposed to do to complete this particular targets on particular date? So you have to tell. So I will take initiative in absence of my TL. So I have some knowledge on it, so basic knowledge. So I have confidence on me to success to complete project on time. So I will manage, and I will keep a meeting with colleagues, and I will explain the situation and problem. So this is our target. This is our work. We should complete by this particular time and date. So you will get done by what you are told. So that time they will get to know your managing skills are awesome, because what you are telling only they will get to know. Okay, he can handle the situation at any situation, at any type of like any kind of if in absence of TL or any client will also tell some target. Like deadline. I want this project completed by so and so date. Then what you will do? You will work hard. You will do some more extra work on time to submit the project, right? Yeah. And
No?
one more question. What is your
Hello,
advice for
Sushidhar? Yeah, am I
someone asked,
audible?
and what is your advice for backbenchers? Guys, wherever you sit, front bench or first bench or back bench, there is nothing. But we should listen the class very sincerely, and jot down some notes, and that will help to enough. That is enough for our exams to clear that exam. So, is my experience. I sat at back bench. I wrote down my notes, and I have learned from that only. I have cleared the exams, and I am very regular to college. That's it, guys. And there is no difference between front bench and back bench. If you sit at front bench, there will be no focus of faculty. If you sit at back bench, faculty focus will be on back bench only. So what they are doing there, we enjoyed a lot. Like we wrote like we'll writing records. If teacher comes, we'll close it and we'll write down some notes. So if we are angry, we hate, but we don't do that, guys. If you are in that position, you are telling something important to someone. If you are not listening, you are avoiding that what you are telling the faculty. That way, that pain will be very hard. Don't be like that. If you are seated back, then sit and listen the class sincerely and note down some notes. Then teacher will feel happy. So I am telling, so students are listening. So faculty will also think I want to tell some more extra additional information, because they are listening with very concentration. They are not disturbing me. So teacher will feel very happy. That's it, guys. And how you are prepared for? Yeah, guys, if you have any questions, feel free and ask me right now. I'll clear your doubts.
Hello, am I audible, Sushidhar?
Is anyone there?
Hello, hello, hello,
Guys?
hello, Sushidhar. Hello.
Okay, okay. Yeah. Guys, ask me anything if you have any doubts.
Hello.
Hello?
Am I audible?
Yeah, audible, ma'am. I'm okay.
Yeah, you have one more question here, sir. Does coding has more weightage in cracking an interview?
Yeah. Ma'am.
Is coding more weightage in cracking an interview? That is the question.
Coding is not a weightage important. Along with coding, we should have some like basic technical knowledge and like skills also. If you done with coding, so coding will done everyone, right? So if you done coding also, we should manage like HR, MR rounds. So if you crack the code and it's well and good. Apart from that coding also, you should have some basic skills and of basic fundamentals of your subject, what you have learned.
And one more question you have. What is the kind of support you got from department?
Yeah, I got a lot of support from department like EC, Srikanth sir, HOD, and like faculty like Shanti ma'am, Ragini ma'am. Subjects it was awesome, and they helped me a lot in labs and while teaching classes. And like SRT, these CRT classes are awesome for cracking a job like first level. We will clear the first level, that is like aptitude. That was awesome. Madhavara sir helped like he brings so many companies to our college also, and faculty supported me a lot, and they extended 1 2 hours for CRT classes also. So we got enough support from our department. Guys, I'm
Hello.
audible.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think
Again.
it's power cut, so I'm unable to connect this, so this is a problem.
Okay.
uh,
Yeah. Any more questions?
Yeah, Shishidhar,
yeah, someone
thanks
asked
for,
RK also. Yeah,
yeah, I'm HOD
morning
Srikanth
Srikanth sir.
sir. Thank you for joining.
Yeah.
Uh, yeah, my
Yeah,
question,
thank you.
any lacuna is there from the department side or training and placement side so that students need an extra things from outside while they're studying here in four
Yeah,
years?
there is no lack of there is a plenty of support from department, and like we are having SRT classes and EC associations to build up their skills and to actively participate in like some events. And but we have to do some more internships. If you do internships, then we get to know what we will get some basic knowledge on particular subject. So if you are having some doing internships, so that should be well and good for students.
Yeah, another question is that
Yeah.
any difference will be there the student who attends the classes regularly and CRT and not attended students, those who are irregular. Can
Yeah, it's
you?
come. Yeah, it's completely depend on their. I mean, their grasping power and their idea, methodology, what they and how they execute. If they are good in studies, I mean, well at they are good in maths. So CRT classes means they in that also aptitude only. So if they are good in maths, there is not enough to attend CRT classes also. I mean, I'm not telling to attend class, but if you are attending CRT classes, they will get to know what is going on outside, and they will get to know so this interview how will happen. So these are the advantages. Those who attend classes, those who listen faculty, do this, do that. So if you're not attending, we are missing that like inputs, right? Important inputs, what we have to do, how do we have to crack the job. So we will miss some important information. That's it. There is no, there is no, if you attend CRT class you will get job, if you does not attend CRT class you won't get. There is no nothing like that, sir.
Yeah, another last question from my side,
Yeah.
because people used to usually feel uncomfortable while solving the problem in ECA subject you take. There are
Yes.
plenty of subjects are there in
Mhm.
electronics where they have to do lots of analysis part, and lots of problem solving things, and related with the reasoning part, like how it will work, why it will work, then what changes will needed. There are lots of logical and reasonable questions are there. Is
Yes,
this type of study will help the student to improve their logical and reasoning and analytical part, so that's why EC students are perform well equal to the CSC in interviews. Can you spot out on that one?
yes, yes. Yes, yes, it's exactly right. So it depends on our logical and analysis, like thinking power. So if we are good in like coding, and if you're good in like max, it's nothing but max. And if we, most important thing, we should create like interest on that subject. So you definitely will crack software job also. And we have one more thing. EC is a evergreen subject. We can go to core side, or otherwise we can go to software side, because it's a combination of electronics and software coding also. So that's why EC people are cracking software side very easily compared to CSC candidates. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah,
Yeah, Sushidhar, there's a lot of voice breaking. There may be some network issues.
yeah,
Y-
network issue, network issue. Yes,
You have
power
one more
cut.
question here in the chat box.
Yeah,
What
okay.
skills do we need to improve and to crack an interview, and where we need to focus more on?
Yeah, okay. To crack the job and interview, first we have to good in like aptitude to clear the first round. After that, I think that is more enough. CMR college is providing like CRT classes for students, like keeping extra classes 1 hour 2 hours, and EC association also is there to build up their skills and to come up and speak up with students. So that will fetch a lot to crack the job, because without skills, without basic knowledge, we cannot crack the job. This is I bet on it. So if you have some knowledge, if you done with internship, so you will tell something. So I have done this, so I have some experience on it. If you are good at skills, so you can manage HR and MR round, technical also. If you are good at basic knowledge, then you will finally will crack the job also. Yeah. Now it is audible, right?
Yeah, it's audible.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, any more questions from the side of audience?
Yeah, guys.
Audience? Okay, I have a question from my side, Sushidhar.
Yeah, Shranti ma'am, you can go ahead.
I found you more talkative, okay?
Okay.
When even when the classes were going on, and even it was on break time, so you used to make a
Yes.
lot of friends and you used to talk to
Yes.
a lot of people,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
Yeah. So will that affect if a person is an introvert and doesn't speak on, and it is more important to be an extrovert or to be an introvert? What is on your side?
So, I mean, if I'm talkative, that will help me to talk something. I mean, that will help us to build up our good communication skills and networking skills. So, how we are talking, so what we have to talk, and what they are telling. We have to listen our friends' words also, our loopholes where we are lack of. So, uh, so with this, so we have to work hard and we have to achieve it. That's it. So it's very benefits if you talk with someone I like very talkative. So that is a basic step for our talking like very fluence.
Hello? Any
Yeah,
more
ma'am.
questions? Any more questions?
I'm checking chat if you are pinging anyone.
No, there's no
Mm,
nothing in the chat box.
good to see you. Pandemic. Okay, after this pandemic will be their opening. Yeah. Someone asked like crisis pandemic. So it is still required 6 to 8 months or 1 year also to set the admin. So after setting admin only, we will get some job offers. So we'll continue, we'll work continuously till 6 to 8 months. There is no job offers also. Yeah, I think reference. Someone asked about reference. Definitely, guys, I will refer in my company those who are interested. So you can ping me personally also. I am in FB, Sushidhar Reddy. So you can just ping me, bro. I need reference. So definitely I will give. So till now, I think I gave reference to 50 to 60 members, and in that 15 members are in 3 days. Max 5 members. Wipro, I did not start it. So definitely I will give guys. Yeah, guys, ask me any questions if you have any doubts, any queries.
Hello?
Yeah, ma'am.
You just drop your email ID so that people can get you. Can you do
Yeah,
it
yeah,
in the chat box? You just drop
yeah,
it now.
yeah. I'm doing now. Guys, I have shared my email ID. You can reach out me at any time if you have any need. So I will refer in any company. Like I have so many types, like friends also working in different companies. So if there is any openings are there, I will inform to you. So just
Okay.
be in touch with you. That's it. Anything else? Do you have to
Yeah,
ask me?
yeah. If you just check on your chat box so that if there are any questions, you can answer.
I think no, ma'am. No.
Okay. Okay, fine. So that was it. So I'll just be
Yeah.
concluding what you have said.
Yeah, ma'am.
So you want everybody to be attending the classes regularly. Just
Yes.
focus on what
Yes.
is being told. Practice,
Hmm.
hard work,
Yes.
and make a little bit of network so that it would be helping.
Yeah.
Yes.
In future. Yes. Yes.
Yes.
Definitely, it
So
will help in interview or in outside and go to outside of PMR college. So create a network will help you to go a well-skilled learner to set our career also.
okay.
Yeah, go ahead, ma'am.
Thank you, Sushida, for being here and helping us and helping our students to know what has to be done in order to get into the industry and what are the
Yeah,
skills that are required. And thank you for also extending your
yeah, ma'am.
helping hand for taking up a responsibility of giving the referrals also. Okay. It was really very nice
Yeah,
talking to
yeah,
you,
sure. I will do
Sushidhar,
it.
and we are really very happy that you have accepted our request and you are here. And
Thank you so much.
and also thank you for being in constant touch with me from the day I have asked you to be here.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, thank
It's
you,
my duty
Sushidhar.
also, ma'am, because I am CMR student. So I have to help to you something. That's it.
Yeah, thank you for that attitude.
Yeah.
Um, uh, yeah, some people will definitely have that attitude that they will do something for the college.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Shall we end it, sir?
Yeah, you can.
Thank you, Srikanth, sir. Shravanti, ma'am.
Thank you,
We
Sushidhar.
want to
Yeah,
be part of CMR Technical Campus alumni. so that you can help us, your brothers and sisters or
Yeah,
your
I'm
juniors, so
already
that you can. Yeah,
I'm a member of Alumni Association and like EC Department Association. So I will
yeah,
help,
yeah.
definitely I'll help, sir.
Please, you can send the your WhatsApp WhatsApp thing also, WhatsApp or
Yeah,
your
okay.
mobile number to the
You
student,
mean
share
personal
the student
number?
and Facebook account to the student, so that anybody
Okay, okay.
really is needed,
Hmm.
you can allow them to talk with you, so that they that may help the institute. So
Yes, sir.
because
Definitely, definitely.
India, as we are seeing the pandemic situation, one side corona is increasing in India, other side the other countries,
Yeah.
neighborhood countries are trying to attack the India, because India is
Yes, yes,
growing
yes.
and other China is the more competitive country, because India is
Yes.
going to uh, be another number one superpower after
Topmost,
five
yes.
countries. India is going to reach the China, so other
Yes,
country
yes.
China is getting a tense on that. So that's why they are creating the lots of newses. So in
Yes,
this
yes.
regard, students should be more entrepreneur and more employment we should, and student will be more innovative. Young generation
Yes,
should
yes.
be more innovative, uh, more interactive, and more entrepreneurship should be generated. Please try to utilize the
Yes.
opportunity, because we are in the society where we our India is surrounded with the lots of enemy countries. So please, I request all the youngsters, because we have a responsibility to our the soldier what they are
Yes.
doing. We know it's a really very hard to hear that
Yes, yes.
our soldiers are working hard at the
In the
borders.
borders.
So
Yes.
because the solution what our technocrafts can do, make the India pride in inventions and economic growth, and in terms of uh,
Technology.
technology. So please, that we can do. We are also like a soldiers, but their war is different, our war is different. We are fighting with
Yes.
the economic crisis, we have to fight with the development, we have to be fight with the poverty, we have to fight with the
Yes.
other things. We also fighting, but our fighting with this thing. Please try to
Yes.
understand. You have entrepreneurs and you have alumni and we have our students. Please, we have to work hard, and we should make India become a superpower, so that any country should not
Find out us.
find out the India. Any country should not
Yes.
attack the India for all the reasons, because India is a country where we maintain the peace and friendly relationship with the
Yes,
neighbor.
yes,
But they should not think that India is should not do anything. They just say, and they always say peace and peace. So please, we
yeah,
have to answer with the our development. We have to answer with our growth. We have to answer with our technology.
yeah,
Please,
yeah.
that is on our shoulder. As a faculty, I feel responsible for delivering the good talks, sharing the knowledge and sharing the things to my student. So similarly, I expect the alumni of this college should help the student or those who are studying now. You have to help them making their future bright and India become a more economic power country. So I want this from your side, please.
Yes, sir. Definitely. I will help, sir.
Right. Thank you, Madam. Shravanti, Madam. I think we can stop this here.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank
Thank
you,
you, guys, and all the
Sushidhar.
best. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, Srikanth, sir.
So it was really nice for
Yeah.
you being here. Thank you. Thank you. Bye, Sushidhar.
Bye, ma'am. And all the best for my students and my brothers for their career.